Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated release in the camera world, the Nikon Z8 II. If you're a photographer, videographer, or camera enthusiast, this could be the next big thing in mirrorless technology, and the leaked specs and rumors surrounding it are truly game-changing. Let's break it all down and see what's coming in this exciting new release. The camera industry never rests. With every passing year, we get new tech, better specs, and increased competition. But sometimes, a product stands out as a potential industry-defining release. Right now, the spotlight is on Nikon, as rumors swirl about their next major release, the Nikon Z8 II. So, what do we know so far? Insider leaks, expert reports, and wild speculations have started to fuel excitement, and the details are certainly intriguing. This camera might just be a pivotal moment in Nikon's mirrorless camera journey. The original Z8 was great, offering exceptional performance and a compact design, but the Z8 II could take it to an entirely new level. Let's explore the rumored upgrades and how they could position the Z8 II as a new contender in the world of professional-grade cameras. The Z8 was dubbed the Mini Z9, and for a good reason. It packed in top-tier performance with a 45mm stacked sensor, superb autofocus, 8K internal video recording, and all that at a competitive price. But even a near-perfect camera has its flaws. Overheating in extended video sessions, battery life that falls short for pros, and storage issues due to massive file sizes. So, where can Nikon improve? Enter the Z8 II. This model could address all the feedback Nikon has received and offer a better, more refined experience. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of Nikon's next-gen processor, the XED8. What could this chip bring to the table? Faster processing, better burst rates, more depth in the buffer, and the ability to handle high-quality images and video tasks like never before. The new processor could unlock enhanced image and video performance. Think sharper focus, clearer images, and smoother operation even when shooting at high frame rates. For video creators, this could translate to smoother editing with better codec support, including internal 12-bit RAW and ProRes HQ. Imagine the freedom to shoot and edit without needing external recorders. AI-powered autofocus. The autofocus system on the Z8 II could receive a huge upgrade thanks to smarter AI. With enhanced subject detection, this camera may be able to recognize faces, eyes, animals, and even fast-moving subjects like birds in flight or athletes in action with precision that's never been seen before. This could be a game-changer for wildlife and sports photographers, as the autofocus system could improve tracking accuracy, keeping focus on fast-moving subjects and ensuring you capture every key moment. For content creators and filmmakers, this smart autofocus system could be a dream come true. When it comes to video, the Z8 II could take things even further. The original Z8 already offered 8K video at 30 frames per second, but the Z8 II is rumored to bump that up to 8K at 60 FPS, with the added bonus of 4K at 240 FPS. This could open the door to extreme slow-motion footage, perfect for content creators, filmmakers, and commercial users looking to capture those dramatic, cinematic moments. And here's a big rumor. The Z8 II might feature built-in ND filters. This would be a first for Nikon's mirrorless line, making it easier to shoot in bright conditions without needing to carry around external filters. For professional videographers, this could save precious time and streamline your gear setup. A redesigned, more ergonomic body. The Z8 was praised for its build quality, featuring a durable magnesium alloy body. But it was a bit on the heavy side, especially for long shoots. The Z8 II could solve this issue by using lightweight carbon fiber, which is both strong and light, making it ideal for long handheld shooting sessions. Plus, rumors suggest there may be a refresh in button placement, possibly introducing a redesigned joystick and more customizable buttons for better ergonomics. Price point, the real game changer. Pricing is one area where Nikon might really shake up the market. The original Z8 launched at $3,199, which was a great value compared to the Sony Alpha 1 and Canon's high-end R5, which are priced much higher. If the Z8 II delivers even more power for a similar price, around $4,500, it would still be competitive, offering incredible value compared to what's available from Sony and Canon. This could even tempt more photographers and videographers to switch from DSLR to mirrorless, with the Z8 II offering more bang for your buck. Plus, with the addition of new lenses and tech features, Nikon could potentially expand its mirrorless ecosystem, making it an even more appealing choice for professionals. Release date. When will it arrive? Initially, many expected the Z8 II to launch in early 2025, but recent rumors suggest a delay into 2026, as Nikon may introduce the Z92 first. This gives Nikon more time to refine the features of the Z8 II and expand their lens lineup. In the meantime, the Z8 is still a fantastic camera option, especially with price reductions to around $3,500. It's still a great choice for photographers and videographers who want high-end performance. So, should you buy now or wait for the Z8 II? If you need a camera immediately, the Z8 is a great option. It offers nearly everything you need for professional work, and with regular firmware updates, it only gets better. However, if you're looking for more speed, more AI, and better video options, waiting for the Z8 II might be worth it, but be prepared for a longer wait. Final thoughts. Can Nikon overtake the competition? Sony and Canon have been dominating the mirrorless space for years, but Nikon has quietly been making smart moves. If the Z8 II delivers on its promises, enhanced performance, AI features, and smart pricing, it could be a serious contender for the best hybrid camera for both photographers and videographers alike. Whether it's capturing fast-paced sports, stunning wildlife, or cinematic videos, this camera could do it all.